I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the source and destination. Open both files and verify formats, because mismatched types break color fidelity. Once done, reserve at least 50% of available bandwidth and pick a low-traffic window to minimize packet loss. Make sure to set and embed an appropriate color profile, such as sRGB for web or Adobe RGB for print, since that preserves hues across devices. Now start a small test transfer to validate settings before committing the full dataset. You now run the main transfer using chunked uploads. Split files into 1/4 or 1/8 sizes so any retry affects only small pieces. Once configured, enable lossless compression to keep color data intact, because lossy methods will shift tones and break matching. Make sure to stream checksums and monitor logs for latency and packet loss. Successful checksums confirm color bytes arrived unchanged. If errors show, pause and requeue failed chunks. This prevents resending everything and saves time. You finish by validating the complete dataset. Compare final checksums and inspect color histograms to confirm hue and gamma consistency, since visual parity matters. Once verified, re-embed color profiles if the target app stripped them, because that restores intended appearance. Make sure to clear temporary chunks and update metadata. If something goes wrong, retransfer only the failed chunks using an alternate protocol. For example, switch from HTTP to SFTP, because that often resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.